making slime. So yeah. So first thing I have is some glue. And if you pour the glue in there, I have a cup that's full, so I can't really show you. So I'm going to spill it. Ow, it's so hard to open. I have to make slime. Forever. Probably don't need any more. It's not even a lot left. So I used all of it. Oh my gosh, I'm in big trouble here. Now I'm gonna use a stick here. I didn't bring anything to mix it with. I'm just gonna use a stick. Yeah. I didn't really use too much. Okay. Just like it didn't get all over the place. Mixing really well. Need a yep, it's not okay here. What is that here? Take it out. I really so fun. So it's just now. Oh, that's so fine. I'm making some slime here. Normally it just takes a few minutes to get it in a nice consistency. I'm gonna have to change its color because I'm definitely not gonna keep it like this. This is how much slime I made. Oh my gosh. Oh, it feels like marshmallows, so I can make like marshmallow slime. It's so nice though. It's like such a soft feeling. Like if you felt this right now, you would be in love. I think I added something after it or something. I don't know. I don't think I added enough. So here, it's just. I think if we keep on mixing, probably it'll get better. Okay, it's really messy. So I'm gonna test give me a towel over it. Okay, so just keep on mixing. It's getting better. Like it's clearly sticky, but it's getting better. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. I'm gonna clean this anyway, so. It's getting better. Like I just need to roll it, kind of. Like this is like it's getting better here. Yeah, it's kind of sticky, but I really like it. Like stick. Oh my gosh, it's getting on my hands. Yep. Okay, so we see stuff on this. What I do? Oh god. What I do is okay. Just slime in there. And just mix it. Just kind of get this out of the way. And if you don't have anything to clean it with, just like I say, don't use your hands, okay? Don't. Oh, don't use your shirt. You have to like do something like nice. Really nice consistency. I haven't made slime in forever. And you know, I think make slime like probably 2 years ago. Or 3, I don't know. I wasn't really allowed to make slime because I always made a mess. But now that I'm older, I am more responsible now to clean clean up after myself. If I do make it. So, yeah. It's really nice though. Like, I have a lot of science. I'm definitely getting cut clean. Ah. Yeah. So I basically just need dirt. I've been becoming tight because that's what I've always been using. I never used anything else. So okay, it's not so sticky anymore. It's really soft. It's kind of sticky right now. Get it on my clothes now. There you go. Just pretend as I didn't get that in my clothes. Slime sticks everywhere. Very careful. This is super messy. It's really messy, so it could get really all over the place. So yeah. This is how to make slime. You probably already know how to make it. I'm just showing you again. But there's some people that don't even know what this is. It's super flowy. Some people don't put enough in this. Oh my god, you should do that. I made a heat ball. Some people should play slime. I don't mind that. It's really nice. A fun thing to play with. I didn't even know we had glue, so yeah. Here, I need to like be right back so I can come in. I just don't know where to put the slime now. It's just a big blob of glue. And some laundry detergent. But really, otherwise it's a really nice thing to give your... I just don't giving it to a young child. Because they could put it in their mouth. after there's stuff flying. Okay. Oh, you can barely see me, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, this is such a weird consistency. Okay, I need to mix this again now because we're building the activator. This is basically how to make yourself happy whenever you're not feeling like yourself. You just have to like get some glue and just start playing. Trust me, you'll be addicted after. I'm not addicted, I just really love it. The feeling, smell. It smells like really nice. Thanks so much for watching. I'm probably gonna do this one. Oh gosh, here. Get this out. This is my favorite. Oh my god. Thanks so much for watching. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Bye!